him, same. They must not be too excited about this retail because that's been sitting like that for years. Just got done with my birthday lunch at one of my favorite places. Very delicious. It was also oil change day in the Tundra. Susan, and look at there, for my birthday words, no check engine light today. That's why that card is there, to cover that flash. See, I got to get that tire replaced, and that's when that TPMS sensor will be replaced. Let's see what mileage we got. 482,373 on March 16th of 2021. Well, this place wasted no time in opening back up 100%, that's for sure. That GM Colonnade right there. Well, hello everybody. What have I done here? Don't worry, the Tundra's in the shop getting an oil leak fixed, so this is what I'm driving today. Let's see what the heck this is. It's a 2015. Just your garden variety Camry. And here's the dash layout, 107,783 miles. At least they left it with nearly a full tank of gas. That's good of them. And it's got the reverse cam, so that's pretty handy. It's got the same cruise control as the Tundra. And it's got the steering wheel controls. Nothing to speak of up here, just your common stuff. It's been in a hailstorm, so it's pretty well beat up. Otherwise, the paint's in good shape. Got this trim pretty good too in some places. As you can see, I'm still in this 2015 Camry. Got some updates on the Tundra. Bad news and good news. Bad news, it's got a bad differential. It's got a bad driver's side wheel bearing. The crankshaft seal is leaking in the front. Good news, I got approved to get it fixed. So it's in the shop now getting worked on, and it shall be back sometime next week, I would imagine. Meanwhile, drive the 2015 silver Camry. Look at the chooch, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the chooch. Look at that chooch. Oh, Dick. We got some chooching going on here. That just happened. Oh yeah, we got a little fire going. Well, good news. Looks like they got it under control. That could have got really ugly really fast. It's the next week, and all is well with the world again. Got the 2006 Tundra back from the shop, and we're doing good. 289 miles. Been driving it for 3 days now. This is day 3 of having it back. And they replaced the differential, and they replaced the front driver's side wheel bearing, which put up a fight. And then they also replaced the front crank seal on the engine. It was leaking oil. Now we're just stuck with back to the check engine light and the TPMS, but TPMS will be fixed soon enough. But yep, we're back in the Tundra and life is good.